Malaga, a vibrant city nestled along Spain's southern coast, is a captivating blend of history, culture, and modernity. Its origins trace back over 2,800 years, making it one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe. Originally founded by the Phoenicians around 770 BC, Malaga has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, from the Romans to the Moors, and eventually became an essential part of Spain's rich cultural tapestry. Walking through Malaga's historic center, visitors are transported back in time. The city's architecture reflects its layered past. Magnificent stone structures from the Moorish period coexist seamlessly with contemporary buildings. Among its most iconic landmarks is the Alcazaba, a fortress built in the 11th century that served as a royal palace and defensive stronghold. Its sprawling gardens and intricate Islamic design captivate historians and tourists alike. Nearby stands the Roman Theater, dating back to the 1st century BC, offering a glimpse into the city's ancient past as a thriving Roman settlement. Art lovers find Malaga irresistible, as the city boasts an impressive array of museums and galleries. The Picasso Museum takes center stage, highlighting Malaga's most famous son, Pablo Picasso. Born in a modest household in 1881, Picasso revolutionized modern art, and his birthplace now serves as a testament to his enduring legacy. The museum houses an extensive collection of his works, from early sketches to masterpieces that changed the art world forever. Beyond Picasso, the Carmen Thyssen Museum showcases a stunning collection of 19th-century Spanish paintings, emphasizing Malaga's role as a hub of artistic expression. Culturally, Malaga thrives with festivals and traditions that have persisted through centuries. The Feria de Malaga, celebrated each August, transforms the city into a lively carnival of music, dance, and local cuisine. Streets fill with flamenco performances, colorful parades, and traditional costumes, creating an atmosphere of joyful celebration. The Holy Week processions, held during Easter, are renowned for their solemnity and beauty, featuring ornate floats and passionate performances that draw visitors from around the globe. Malaga's culinary scene is equally impressive, blending Mediterranean flavors with Andalusian influences. Seafood plays a pivotal role, with fresh catches like sardines, squid, and prawns prepared in diverse ways, from simple grilled dishes to complex stews. Tasting espetos de sardinas, skewered sardines roasted over open flames on the beach, offers an authentic experience. Tapas bars buzz with activity, serving small plates of jamon iberico, gazpacho, and local cheeses, inviting both locals and tourists to indulge and socialize. Beyond its historical and cultural assets, Malaga is also a gateway to natural beauty. The city is surrounded by stunning landscapes, including the Sierra de Malaga mountain range and pristine beaches. Costa del Sol, the coastline stretching along the Mediterranean, is famous worldwide for its golden sands and crystal-clear waters. Visitors can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, from surfing and paddleboarding to hiking scenic mountain trails that offer panoramic views of the coast. Transportation in Malaga is well developed, making exploration easy. Malaga Costa del Sol Airport connects the city globally, welcoming millions of travelers annually. The city's comprehensive public transport system, including buses and a modern train network, ensures convenient travel within the city and nearby regions. For those seeking a more relaxed experience, renting bicycles or strolling through pedestrian-friendly streets offers an authentic way to absorb Malaga's charm. Education and innovation also thrive in Malaga, which is increasingly recognized as a hub for technology startups and research institutions. The city hosts several universities and digital innovation centers, fostering a dynamic environment for entrepreneurs and students alike. This spirit of progress complements its rich heritage, making Malaga a place where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. Malaga's climate plays a significant role in its appeal. With over 300 days of sunshine annually, the city enjoys warm summers and mild winters, encouraging outdoor pursuits year-round. The pleasant weather influences local lifestyles, with cafes spilling onto sidewalks and outdoor markets bustling with activity. The Mediterranean climate also supports lush parks and gardens, such as Parque de Malaga, a verdant oasis perfect for relaxation or casual strolls. The local economy benefits greatly from tourism, thanks to its diverse attractions. Hotels, resorts, and boutique inns cater to travelers seeking everything from luxury experiences to budget-friendly stays. Cruise ships frequently dock at Malaga's port, bringing international visitors eager to explore the city's treasures. The city's vibrant nightlife, with bars, clubs, and live music venues, keeps the energy alive until dawn. Malaga also excels in fostering community spirit through various social initiatives. Local markets, like Atarazana's Market, serve as communal hubs where residents shop for fresh produce, cheeses, and local specialties. These markets preserve traditional Andalusian flavors and provide opportunities for cultural exchange. Additionally, initiatives promoting sustainability and environmental awareness are increasingly prominent, reflecting Malaga's commitment to a greener future. In recent years, Malaga has become a popular destination for wellness retreats and health tourism. The city boasts numerous spas and wellness centers that offer treatments inspired by traditional Andalusian therapies, combining natural ingredients like olive oil and herbs. The calming sea breezes and scenic surroundings create the perfect backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. The city's dynamic mix of ancient history, artistic innovation, lively festivals, natural beauty, and warm community creates a unique atmosphere that continually attracts visitors. Malaga isn't just a travel destination, it's a living mosaic of stories, traditions, and progress. Its residents, proud of their heritage yet embracing new ideas, embody the spirit of a city that honors its past while boldly stepping into the future.